Goldie, good day mga ka-nation. Welcome to Goldilocks Magical Mashups, where the best becomes even better. Courtesy, of course, of our kitchen magician over here, Miss Joanne Kyle. How are you, Joanne?
I'm doing great, Lee. Thank you. Goldie, good day mga ka-nation. And just like what Lee said, are you ready to take the best and make it even better?
Of course, Joanne is referring to their Goldilocks Polvoron, which, well, if you ask me, is the best Polvoron out there.
It's no wonder it's one of our most popular baked treats, and you can enjoy it anytime, anywhere. It actually gets its melt-in-your-mouth goodness from the combination of aromatic flour, rich powdered milk, and sugar.
Ah, that's the key to it. Well, and the best part about it is that it comes in an assortment of yummy flavors. Sarap.
Yep. Isa na dyan yung classic, ube, cookies and cream, coffee crunch, and pinipig.
Are you sure that's it?
Yes.
Okay, that's a lot
Gusto
of
mo pa?
flavors. Yeah. But you know what always boggles my mind, Joanne, is that I'm wondering, how are you going to turn something this good already into something even better?
Well, what do you think? Let's turn it into Goldilocks chocolate-covered party polvoron.
Okay, that sounds really good. Let's get this party started. I'm going to say the magic words, okay, Joanne?
Go ahead.
Hocus pocus, Goldie goodness!
Well,
Wow. There's a party going on in my mouth. It is so good. So good.
and it's easy to make, di ba? Sa mga ka-nation, malapit na ang Thanksgiving. If you want to make your own Goldilocks Party Polvoron, you may now order online at goldilocks-usa.com.
Goldilocks Polvoron, presto changeo, Goldilocks chocolate covered party polvoron. I'm gonna keep this party going by taking another bite of this. In the meantime, we'll see you guys again next time for another awesome episode of Goldilocks Magical Mashups. Goldie, good day!
Here, cheers.
Here you are.